So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now you can see here, this is my mobile phone, and now you can see inside this mobile phone there is a water. Okay, so before I put this one inside the water, so that's why it is not working properly. So now you can see inside my mobile phone. So I think I should to show this one. So now you can see in this side there is few waters available inside my screen. So now I'm going to remove this type of the water. So for this one, first of all you have to switch off your mobile phone. Okay, and after that you have to remove your all the components from the phone. Yeah, just you have to remove your battery also. Then after that, now you can see there are few screws available. Okay, so I'm just opening all the screw. Okay guys, so now uh, now you can see all the screws has been opened successfully. So now I'm opening my mobile phone from this side. So you need another screwdriver for this one. So I am just using this type of the screwdriver for this one. So it is too much easy, just you have to open from this side. So now you can see here it's opening, right? So you don't have to work too much. Okay guys, so now you can see inside here, so now you can see here, before there was a water, right? So I have to clean this one. So now you can clean your screen in this way. So I am just cleaning this one. You need this type of the clothes. Okay, so this is the fiber cloth and you can clean this one easily. Okay, so in this side also maybe there is few water. It was okay, so I'm just cleaning in this side also. So in this way you can clean if your mobile phone sink in the water. Okay, so this mobile phone sink inside in the water, so that's why I'm cleaning all the waters. Okay, otherwise if you have the hair dryer, then in that case you can use that one also to make it dry. Okay, so after that, after cleaning all the waters from the mobile phone, so now I'm again repacking this one. Okay, so in this time I am just using the keypad phone, but in the touchpad phone also it have same process, just you have to open and you can dry. Okay, but you have to remember one thing: when your mobile phone sink in the water, in that case you have to immediately remove your SIM card and battery. Otherwise different kind of the resistor and transistor can be damaged, so that's why. So now we can see I am just repacking this one. Okay, yeah, in this way. Okay guys, so now I'm again using this battery. So I'm just using the Tambo keypad mobile phone. Maybe the water will, so now we can say still there is a water, right? So I need to clean this one. So in this side there is few water displaying inside my mobile phone. So I'm just again opening this one. Okay, yeah, in this way. So I think the water was displaying in this side. Yeah, like that. And I'm just closing this one and I'm just putting this one in this side. Yeah, now you can see inside my display there is no water. So in this way you can easily remove the water. Okay, so now I am just putting all the screws. So guys, in this way just you have to clean the water. Okay, so now you can see here the water is completely gone. Okay, so it's too much easy. So hoping that we get a few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.